All right, so this video is actually for all those. So I'm actually trying to mimic all those people who live in Canada or UK. They can do back to back video. This is what I got. I got this. So let me do mine. So, anyways, my own video. This is it. So this is what I got for $20. So let's see if I got a good buy. All right, first on the list is these takeaway packs. Yeah. So this is what I actually use in packing my food when I cook in bulk: soup, stew, rice, jollof rice, fried rice, beans, coconut rice. So I actually have this, but I needed to stock up more. The weather will soon start. We're already heading towards the winter season. Not really. We still have some time, but then again, it's not too early to start stocking up this. All right, and second on my list is this butter, this vegetable oil margarine. So I got one, two, three, and four of these, still within the $20. Yes, I got all those things with $20, tax inclusive. If you want to argue with me, please go ahead. Okay, you're welcome. And the next on my list is this pack of soap. I don't know why I don't like this soap. Canada water is hard, so this is hard enough. Canada water is hard enough, so using this, my husband actually likes it. Okay, next on my list is this salt. Now, all still within $20. I know you'll be wondering, how come? How can she buy all these things for $20? You want to argue with me? Please bring it on. All right, the next on my list is this Chipahoy biscuit cookies. This is my favorite thing, one of my favorite thing anyways. But when it's getting too much, I get tired because too much of everything is bad. So these two still within the $20. Then I got the bigger chunk cookies, Chipahoy, the caramel milk, and the normal chocolate one. So I got four of these, still within the $20. And what's next? Okay, this is butter again. I got one, two, three, and four of these, still $20. You want to argue with me? I can see you're already gingering to argue with me. Please bring it on. All right. So these two pack of Oreo, mini Oreo, I'm not a fan of it. Yeah, inclusive. So this is also within the $20. Then these two male Axe roll on, right? Yes, or deodorant, $20. Okay, my favorite thing, the Quaker Harvest Crunch. Yes, one, two, and three. Now, I think the last on my list is this Ritz biscuit, one, two, and three. So I got all of these for $20, tax inclusive. I know you're already so eager to start arguing with me in the comment section. Please go ahead. Feel free to argue with me. Now come with my receipts. Don't mind me. I beg. You see, those of you who do, you record every day of your life. I must applaud you. It's not easy. So this is just me trying to ensure, because I told myself I'll try to, the way I tried a lot in the month of July, I uploaded back to back, right? And maybe I missed out on a day. The month of August is not as consistent as the month of July. But then again, I told myself I'll make sure I show up. So this is just me. I just said, okay, let me just record this. And this is not actually part of my life, because I know most people, what people do, they record what they do, part of their life. I didn't do this shopping. So let me tell you guys the truth. My husband did this. But anyways, I just decided to just because I just want to show up. I just want to upload something. Yeah, consistency. It's not what you guys always emphasize on. Consistency. I'm sorry I can't keep up. But then again, I'll try and do something. And this is part of the something. So, all right, $20. Did I get a good bargain? I'm joking. This is not $20. Don't mind me. All right, let's go. Good night. Do you like my hair? Yes, I styled it.